Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you want make or you want create such kind of song like this.
दिल से दिल जो मिले
And like this.
तो बात
No need to pay anything. You should create such kind of song with the help of Suno AI and artificial intelligence. Create such kind of song for you. How to make this song very easily without pay single rupees. Let's start demonstration on my Mac screen. This is a website. Using this website you should create any types of song. So first of all we can write a lyrics with the help of ChatGPT. Here is a ChatGPT. I create new one and put it here. Make a breakup song Hindi in English. So let's see. We receive the song very fast. Tera naam bhul raha hoon. After that you should open this website suno.com. Link is also available on video description. So first of all you need to sign up here using your email address. So I just simply use my email address here. So first time this website are providing you 10 song absolutely free. I create successfully account. It's very simple. You just put it here, the song description, the lyrics types, which types of lyrics you want, here your workspace, and then create the song. So first of all we just use this entire song. So I just simply copy and I put it here and just simply create here the song. And look at this, I'm not providing any types of melody or other function. I just simply create a random song and let's see, wait couple of seconds, the processing is going on.
I'm forgetting your name just like dust in the wind.
Song is created.
Memories we share now in shadows they blend.
Still creating the song.
Now in shadows they blend.
Look at this, the entire song is created here. After that you should download the song as well. The processing is going on to convert as a MP3. After successfully convert, look at this, the entire song is ready. You should play here once.
Your faces
This song is totally in English, but we can make here in Hindi song as well. So I just simply use here Hindi only. So we are receiving the lyrics via ChatGPT and after that we just simply select this one, replace and create. After that you can add here melody, rock, hard rocks related musics as well. So look at this here, tu gaya to sahi, and wait couple of seconds. It's very fast process to convert as a this lyrics to song, and here song is ready. तेरी हंसी तेरी बातें अब यादों में रह गई.
तेरी हंसी तेरी बातें अब यादों में रह गई. जो ख्वाब देखे थे संग अधूरे ही रह गई. राहें वो सारी अब सूनी सी लगती है. तेरे बिना ये सांसें बस थामी सी लगती है. तू गा तो सही पर दिल अब भी वही है.
Look at this, the singer is coming here, lyrics is also here. You should make the song and publish on your YouTube channel or any other social media. That one is really amazing. Come to the suno.com and make the song like this with the help of ChatGPT. After successfully complete the song, you should download the song and after that you should put it on your mobile and then listen anytime, any places. That one is really nice and amazing platform, suno.com. You can come and make your own song. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.